Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought my new desk. Now let's open it. Let's get started.
Do you like it, Amira?
Yes. Now
Open.
let's open and check.
Okay.
It has small legs.
Do you like it?
Yes. Bye bye.